Hello, everyone. Today's term that we are going to begin with is going back to the evolution, that is allantois. We all remember, or maybe we don't remember, how we were in our mother's womb. Well, allantois is a sac-like extra embryonic membrane in amniotes. And who are amniotes? Of course, we humans, mammals, reptiles, birds, they are all called as amniotes. So, what is this bag and why we were surrounded with this bag? Well, in order for us to survive, the simple answer. This bag or this sac like structure helped us to remove our waste, to exchange gases, that is, to breathe, and of course, to obtain nutrients. And this was a remarkable evolutionary discovery or a change that saw to happen where all these functions were enabled to be carried out inside the shell bed. So this really transformed organisms from an aquatic environment to inhabit the terrestrial region. So when we look at the embryonic development, well, it starts to originate from the hindgut, which had a diverticulum, and from there was two layers of this sac, the endoregion as well as the meso. So, as I said before, since it is present in all amniotes, so what's the difference across species? So, if you take in birds and reptiles, this allantois is large, highly vascularized. It fills the extraembryonic coelom and it acts as a respiratory organ. And also, it stores waste in the form of uric acid. But in humans, it is helps to form the umbilical cord, even the urinary bladder, and of course, after pregnancy, it is released as a remnant. So it forms the umbilical cord because of the blood vessels, and of course, it forms urinary bladder because of the diverticulum. And that continues with the cloaca, the precursor of the urinary tract. And after birth, the umbilical cord of the bladder closes off, and this becomes the median umbilical ligament. So this is all about one of the ancient evolutionary structure, allantois.